Alright, today I'm going to introduce you to a product that I recently got. That's actually for pets. And this product is this product. This is actually, oh wow, what do you call it? Water fountain, water dispenser for cats, for pets. And this specifically says that this for cat use, recommended by vets. Says that your cats will love it, or something like your cats will drink it comfortably, I guess. And it comes with active carbonated, what am I saying? Active carbon filter. Yeah, simple design, I guess. And this is 950 ml. Similar thing. These are all in Japanese, so I've had problems trying to understand it. Okay, it's made by Gex, and I think this is the website. If you can go to the website, have a look. What you can call them. Alright, yep. Recycled paper, stuff like that. And let's see. It's running on 2.5 watts. Not surprisingly, it's made in China. And so this is the active carbon. So I think it means two different kinds. Not entirely sure what it means, right? Anyway, let's open this up. Okay, let's see what's inside. Here we have this, and it's nothing much inside. The instruction manual, or paper, or flyer. Right, so this says here is for 240 volt. Strangely, though it says here for cat use, it says here for dog and cat. Well, anyway, if you know Japanese, you can read this. I don't. Okay, so it comes with either also, so it comes with this and this. This should be the pump, and this should be the adapter. This is the pump. Alright, so you have the 3-pin plug adapter and the pin. Alright, and what else do we have inside? Tons of information. Basically caution, and yeah, and don't do this, don't do that. Next page, how to use it. Alright, so let's just go through a bit. I'm guessing as I go along. So it says that wash it clean, put the activated carbon into the bowl, I guess. Yeah, and I have no idea. So okay, so if I'm not wrong, just to ensure that this thing here, which is the pump, is inside. Oops, sorry. The pump is inside and placed correctly. Put in the activated carbon in the right position, I guess. Well, it says here, and there's a notch here where it's supposed to be in. Let's see. I'm not sure. I think it's supposed to be like this. Yeah. but there's a notch here. If you can see it, yeah. If I were to pull this out, you can see there's 2 notches. So this is the place in this manner. Okay. And next to it, covers it up, and I guess you're good to go. I think this here is to be placed into here. So let's just try to place this thing in. I think, yeah. So well, it's quite simple. It's nothing much. Where is, oh, okay, right. So I guess somehow or rather this will go up from here. Oops, sorry. And then this should be connected to here, and voila. Okay, I think I will try this and see how it works. Let me find, well, I need somewhere with a plug to tap it on. Be right back. Right, I have plugged power in. It's vibrating now. Alright, it's, I'm not sure if you could hear it, but the power is on. The pump is on. So what I'm gonna do, I gotta pour some water in and see if it does pump up the water, and if it works. Hopefully. Oh, shoot. Alright, okay. Alright, here it goes. You see there's some water that leaks out. It's not much of a waterfall. Oh. Okay. Any slight movement will cause the water to flow out. You need it, and you know, pets, right? They will touch, and yeah, not a very good product to use, because if the pump has no water, it will overheat and it might, I don't know, burn it down. Yeah. So you have to ensure. See, it's off now. So I switch it off. So how this thing works is that this thing here, okay. Well, according to the instructions, you have to place this, which is this, on top, and ensure that the 3 knobs, or rather all this goes into the holes here. But do take note that it's just been placed on top, so to prevent it from moving too much. However, oh shoot, the problem is that this hole does not touch very clearly into the pump. So I'm not entirely sure. Let me try it again one more time and get back to you guys. Right. Well, after much wiping and mopping away the excess water, I got it running, and no matter how you push, it's okay now. In between, water sprouts in, you know, things like that happens, and the whole place was wet. But I'm not sure how I did it, but well, I got it working now. So now it's doing fine. Yeah, I guess somehow or other, if I were to remove this, I'm not sure if this thing is gonna happen again. But yeah, all right guys, thanks for watching.